Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we are looking at the 2026 Ford Bronco Sport Big Bend. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 1.5 liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the convenience package, the black diamond package, and the new bronze appearance package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch receiver. With the bronze package, you will get all these bronze accents. You got your backup camera, and we do get a nice little lift glass, which allows you to have easier access to your cargo, or you can leave it open for some air. Totally up to you. We do get roof rails. We got those bronze rims on this vehicle, blind spot detection, and to the front, we do get a nice little bash plate here. We got the nice Bronco logo with the bronze accents and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see we do get quite a bit of cargo space. You got a cargo area protector. We will have all-weather floor mats with this vehicle. You can collapse your last row if you need additional storage. 110 volt, 12 volt, and plenty of hooks and doodads to hold your gear down, with the ability to have your lights turned on or off on the liftgate, lights back here, cargo cubbies, and you do get your normal storage underneath with a full-size spare tire. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat 2.5 pretty comfortably, and with the new bronze package, we do get these nice looking cloth seats with the leathering as well. We will get bronze accents on the door, plenty of door space in the back, carpeted interior, rear vents, USB-Cs, 110 volt, and of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same cloth and leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of more door space up front. Powered windows, mirrors, locks, lights, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 16 kilometers. We do get this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel with the bronze stitching, toggle-free screen, voice, phone, and media, volume mute, and cruise control. You got lane centering as well, digital speedometer, and my view, trip and economy, tow, Bronco information, vehicle maintenance, audio, phone, and other settings. To my right, we got our gear select, parking brake, GO modes. We got this new Bronco emblem on the bronze package, cup holders and storage, more storage here with some outlets, the bronze stitching and the leathering on the center console with tons of storage. We do get your volume, start stop for your engine, auto stop at a certain max temp, hazards, traction, comm screen, and your nice backup camera. We got storage in the glove compartment and on the dash with two USB-Cs. With the black diamond package, you do get upfitter switches. Pretty handy, you can set them up however you like. A nice big infotainment system that is going to be powered with audio, phone, settings, features and apps, Bluetooth. You got all that climate controls at the bottom with heated front seats. For your audio, oops, that's loud. We do get AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. We got your phone controls. You got your settings right here. Pretty straightforward, just all your normal vehicle settings. Features of the vehicle, towing, owner's manual, record feedback, driving assist, and any apps you may download will show up right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is RE08585, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.